That's the vibes. Hey y'all, hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Shay and we are the Shay Crew. Thank you for clicking on my video out of all the videos here on YouTube. If you're new, hello. I hope you subscribe. And if you're not, hey, welcome back y'all. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for rocking with your girl. You already know. So this is one of my oldies but goodies, okay? We're back in our solid vlog era. So if you were new, your girl has done some solid vlogs and I just wanted to run it back with you guys. This is just me preparing for the next day so y'all can experience a work from home day with me. So I just want to say, hey, thank you for watching and yeah, let's groove to the music and I'll see y'all at the end. Bye.
Seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you out my head. Guess the verdict's in, I'm crazy over you. How can one be down? That you've done to me, but it's caused me to act in such a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you're doing, it's a feeling that I want to stay. 'Cause my heart stops beating thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do when the calling cure is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, then something takes my eyes, ruthless I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning when the sun.
My little love, we see your eyes wide like an ocean. When you look at me, so full of my emotions, I'm finding it hard to be here, city. I know you feel lost, it's my fault completely.
I really love you.
I don't recognize myself in.
Yes. Prior authorization.
Eligibility or press 2. Covered services or press
3, right? Yes. Next, what's the date of birth for the customer you're calling about? Just a moment while I gather your plan information. Which is the approval related to? Medical. All right, medical. And which would you like to do? Check an approval status or request a new approval? Request new approval. Okay, which of the following do you want an approval for? Oncology drug, injectable drug, or something else? Something else. Tell me the 5-character CPT or HCPCS code, including any letter. The code you provided requires prior approval, so you'll need to speak with an associate. And finally,
Hey
guys, hey, so I wanted to come in here and just close up the vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed my work from home morning routine. I don't do much in the morning, just waking up, making sure that I eat breakfast, and then, you know, chill out and try to work out today. Today has been a hectic day because a lot of my portals have been down, and I need them to work. So it's been a lot of on the phone, and I've been very, very distracted. But other than that, it's been a really, really good day. The sun is peeping out, so that's really, really good. It is currently 12:30. I forgot to come in here before 12 to close it out. But yes, that was my morning routine. If there's anything you want to know about my morning routine, just ask me in the comments below. But I really hope that you guys did enjoy it. I'm about to go ahead and cook dinner now because I'm going to go to the gym later on today. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Only if you like, because it makes my channel grow and grow and grow and grow. And until next time, peace, love, and stay true. Shake crew. Bye.
It's a pause.